Okay, here is our first blizzard for 2012, December 27th. And it's our first snowfall. It's Christmas. So we kind of wanted snow. I guess everybody called for it because we love when it snows at Christmas time. But everything's kind of frozen over. It froze. There's my bow on my door. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to open the door to show you. There's my pretty bow. We wrapped my door. It's hard to see, but let's look at the snow instead. There's our snow. It's really bad down here in Stony Creek by the lake. And I have my Canada Goose jacket on. Woo! Canada Goose! I think I need to get a bigger one though. And the arms are kind of cold. So, for the price I paid for it, I don't know. I gotta go get a warmer one. But that sound you hear is the lake. Oh. Let's go walk over here and see how bad it is. Holy shit. The snow is pretty deep. Oh, the snow is really deep. Oh, it's windy. Oh, it's really windy. Oh. Oh. Got a whole bunch of snow in my face. There are my Christmas trees. Turn it. I'm going back inside because this is craziness. And the snow is about maybe 5 inches deep, probably. It's getting pretty deep pretty fast.